Okay, alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are seeing this video for the first time, please, this is a place we learn ICC trading strategy, the most simple of them all. We don't trade with indicators, we keep it very simple, just straight market structure, straight market, understanding how the market moves and all that. So please, if this is your first day of coming to my page, please kindly go and watch the first video in order for you to understand it. This is my second video explaining ICC. I've explained indication, and this is me explaining correction. Please go back to the first video and so that you understand what we're saying, please. So let's quickly get into it. All right, so as I said, we are going to talk about correction today and how to know when our correction is over. This is my swing high. This is my swing high. And this is my swing low. Please go back to the first video. Go back to the first video. If you are seeing it for the first time, please go back to the first video so that you understand what we are saying here. Okay? It's very easy. ICC is very easy. It's not that hard. It's very easy and anybody can do it. If I can do it, you can actually do it. So, and please, without wasting much of our time, let's quickly go back to what we have today. So, this indication, correction. This is correction. This is the place we're talking about. We're going to discuss today. How do you, well, firstly, how do you know that your indication is over? You can know that your indication is over from, where the market got to at a certain point and start making opposite direction. Start moving to opposite direction, sorry. You see? We mark our swing high, our swing low, and we got a break. Again, please go back to our first video to understand what we're saying about swing high and swing low. So we got a break here, giving us indication. This long move is indication, and again, we don't trade indication and we don't trade correction. Okay, we trade continuation. I'm still going to make video on continuation, which is the last video. So this is indication. All this long move here is indication. Coming down to here is correction. So how do you now know that your correction is over? Because it's after the correction then that you now enter continuation. That is the one that you take. So I'm currently on this trade now, and what I did is that I was watching it. After I marked out my high and low, I was watching it. It gave me indication. Coming down was the correction. I was following the correction. Remember, whenever market is selling, market will be breaking lows. Market will be breaking lows. Again, go back to the second video so that you understand what I mean by breaking lows. So, for example, this is my low here. Market break am. Okay, I'm just following in correction. In correction now, you follow your lows till it will stop breaking it. When it stop breaking your low, that is when you enter continuation. That is when your correction is over. When it stop breaking lows and start breaking highs. So let me keep marking my low. This is my low too. This is another low. And this is the last low it made. And it did not break it. Okay? Let me come again so that you understand it. This is high, this is low. This is high. It break this low. Give you another what? I mean, yes, it break this low. Give you another what? Low. Give you high. Break the low. Did you see? Give you high. Make equal low. Give you another high. Do what? Give you another low. Give you high now. But fail to do what? Break the low. That is when you know your what? Your correction is over. It's about to enter continuation, and we trade only continuation. So this is how, as you say this market wants to continue moving down, it will do what? It will break this low. It will break this low. It will break it. But if fail to do what? Break it and do what? Give you low, lower high. This low now is higher than this. And give you what? Break this high and give you a new high. It's a new high now. It's a new high here because this, you don't break this high. It's now a new high. Give you what? A lower high now. Again, higher high, lower high. Do you see what the market is doing? Market is clearly now changing towards an uptrend. That is when you know what you don't even need to go to 15 minutes, because sometimes you just see a long candle, or like it will be very choppy. So if it's choppy that you are not seeing it, then you go back to your 15 minutes or your 5 minutes to see it clear and know when the market is changing to bullish. So, but this place is even in 1 hour time frame, I'm seeing it very clear. So when I waited for my indication correction, then coming down to my continuation, I was just waiting for it to start building higher high and start breaking highs and stop breaking lows. So, and I enter. I no fear. That is ICC for you. I enter there. I'm going to put it on my screen so that you see. Keep my stop loss below here, then target this overall high. Remember, see the dates on 25th of December. That is when I entered this trade. 25th of December, and I've been holding it. Let me show you that I've been holding. Oh, you see, and I've been holding it since that day. I don't need to go around looking for trades to enter every day. Just simple. One good thing about ICC is going to make you to know how to wait, to be patient enough in trading. I'm not rushing every day looking for trade to take, because I already have an open trade. All I'm doing, if I see another indication, if I see another correction, continuation, I will add a trade. I'll add a position. Sorry, I'll add a position. So I don't know if you understand what I just explained. I don't want to make this video to be too long, but this is how to know. It's very easy. This is just how to know that your continuation, your correction is over and is about to enter continuation. I'm not going to talk about continuation today. I'm not going to talk about continuation. Continuation is going to be a very, very interesting video, because it's from continuation that you know how to add position and know when to leave the market and know how to hold the market. Okay, let me quickly show you USD card. Sorry, let me know if I can.